going to be looking at an unboxing of FL Studio's Fire controller. So I ordered the FL Studio Fire MIDI controller, the first official hardware controller for FL Studio. I just got the controller only. As you know, if you watched some of my recent YouTube videos, early YouTube videos, I have FL Studio Signature Edition right now. So no point in getting the software with the controller. I picked this up for about $80, I believe. This was still brand new, off of Amazon. So let's look at the box really quick. This is where it says some stuff, so let's just read it. Fire, the first hardware controller for FL Studio, instantly ignites your creativity flow. Works with PC and Mac. Quick browse audio and project files. Launch your patterns on the fly with performance mode. Plug and play integration with FL Studio. USB bus power. Full color velocity sensitive pads. Mix, filter, and center EQ with 4 banks and touch knobs. Instantly navigate the channel rack, browser, toolbar, and playlist windows. Quickly input patterns in the step sequencer. FL Studio User Edition. Software not included. Then it says Akai Professional Fire. This is also upside down probably. See you guys. Akai Fire. The first hardware controller for FL Studio, and that's how it is on the two short sides. Also on the top of the box, let's see what it says. It says contents of the box: FL Studio, FL Fire USB cable, software download card, quick start guide, safety and warranty information. That's the contents of the box. System requirements: ASIO drivers, which is cool. I use those. That's best way for it. And this is a lot of stuff in. So let's get into the opening of the box, I guess. It's just a little pull up. And you know, Akai's known for making good MIDI controllers like for a long time now, so FL Studio must have partnered with them, but you know. First thing in box is, let's see. Oops, ripped the bag. The cable for the controller, of course, which is like it's a black control. It's a black cable. Okay. Okay. This is the Akai Fire cheat sheet. That's in that bag. let's just go through this real quick. Akai Fire cheat sheet. I'm not gonna read through all this because honestly, I have the controller right now. I'm just gonna find out by doing, but I will let it stay on the thing, and you can pause it on YouTube and read it yourself. And yeah. That's one thing out of the way. This is the important safety instructions and warranty information booklet from Akai, which is pretty cool because some of the stuff that I get, they don't have that in there. And this is the user guide. This is the user guide for the Akai Fire. Just flipping through it. I'm sure they have one of these online if someone wants to look it up too, so that's cool. And let's get to the controller. So they have it pretty secure in the box. Slide these off, slide this off, put that on top of there, and it's in this nice little foam baggie. Put it on there. And here it is. This puppy. Oh, well, I guess I want to start by saying that these are some nice little grip things from what I've seen. They don't really slide, but this is my first time opening it, so we'll see. And the serial number and stuff is right there. And it just has caution, made in China. This is it. Volume knob, pan, filter, EQ, browser mode, pattern up and down, pattern 1 to pattern 2, pattern 3. Then this goes from grid. This moves. Mute buttons. This is the step sequencer, which is the one where you sequence most of your drums. Note lets you play it out like a piano if you have an instrument track on there. Drums, drum pad. Yeah, you get me. This is performance mode. I got so much box stuff in here. Performance mode lets you trigger your clips on the playlist. From what I remember, you have your transport buttons here: play, stop, record. With the record button is going to be amazing. Browsing. Then you have a little display right here to see levels of this stuff. These buttons do also click in. Oh, well, that button clicks in. These click. This is mixer, blah blah blah, user 1. So you can plug multiples of these up to your FL Studio at the same time. Because I think this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure this is 2 bars. This is 2 bars, I think. 1 bar, 2. This is 2 bars, so you have 2 bars out in the open at all time. And you can move this to go down And then you can go over like that to increase it to 4 bars. To 4 bars, which probably going to be using it with 4 bars usually. 2 bars is it what I would say we would need for a song, you know. Maybe you do need 2 bars though. Hey, this is perfect. It's 2 bars. Pattern. Oh, this also this trigs metronome, and it also trigs between pattern and songs. Well, loops and song mode, playlist mode. Patterns, I mean patterns and song. So loops, the loop from the step sequencer to playlist mode, basically. Play. And this has a couple things. Wait, countdown, record, loop record. Alt, shift. These shifts means down here when you see these things in white, here. Who knows? We'll see though. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the FL Studio Fire controller. Thank you. Have a good day. And yeah, that's it.